Alright guys, so this video is going to be about a sample on how to do your Google Slides on an iPhone. And probably Android's probably similar to this. It's probably easier also. Alright guys, hi, how are you guys doing? Happy Friday. Today is Friday, what is it, the 17th of April. I am about to, the following video is going to be uh, me working on some the Google Slides through my phone. Now, what you need to understand is that some of you guys are using the tablet or the computer, and that other video that I made would be a lot better for you. And then this one, I hope that it helps you. But I do have an iPhone. I don't know how if the Android is the same format, and I hope it is because it's super easy. I know it takes some time. It's time consuming, but at the same time, you're learning. So I hope that this helps you. I'll see you guys soon, hopefully, right? Okay guys, so what I'm showing you here is basically what I have as a teacher. So yours should be kind of similar to this. You should have the stream in the bottom, classwork, and maybe people. Let's find out. Let me go to one of my classes. So if I go to one of my classes, yeah, I have the exact same thing: stream, classwork, and people. So the way that works is when you click on whichever one that you're using. So, like for example, let's click on classwork. When we click on classwork here, it shows us all the classwork that we've done through Google Classroom. Here it has the 3 branches of government. That's what we're currently working on. The U.S. Census, the presentation, the right here, this right here is going to be material. These little icons are assignments. So anything that has this is just material. You don't turn it in or anything like that. But this other one you do. So let's go into 3 branches. Here it shows how many people have already turned it in. I don't know if yours is going to be different. I think when you click on that, it actually takes you to this, to the work or whatever. So let's click on 3 branches of government. This is what I sent to you guys. And what you're supposed to do is this. When you're here, you can press it, but the thing is that this is only to kind of align them. When you want to work on it itself, you see, I double clicked. So here I can put the history of the U.S. government. Let's find out. So what I would do is I would press play. I don't know if you see the play button over here on the top. Press play. And now present from this device. And you see how it's playing the Google Slides. Well, these, how can I tell you guys? I put links on all of these. So if we press it, it's going to send us to the Google link. And here you can find whatever you want as far as the U.S. government. So here you're supposed to get in here and kind of look for this. U.S. government for kids would be a good one. We click on there, the First Continental. It tells us exactly how the government was created. Okay, this is everything about the U.S. government all the way to, it's a timeline basically, right? Now, the one thing that I would use as far as like it being created, remember, a government is created, but what is it that rules the government? What is it? Anyone? It starts with C. It's the Constitution. So what we would do is we would go over here to where it says Constitution. You see right here, the Constitution is a framework of federal government and created as highest form of law. Okay, well, that's a lot of information, and I kind of want to copy it. So I would copy this, and then remember it's Ducksters, okay? So I'm going to press done. You see, I'm still here in the play, so what I need to do is I need to X out. So now that I exit out, I go back over here, I double click on it, and you paste it. You see, I just did that. Now, am I going to keep this entire thing? Probably not. but I did paste everything. So what the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna put according to Duxter. The Constitution is the framework of the federal government. The highest law of the Constitution creates. Okay, so this right here, what I would do is I would select, and I would go down, and then I would copy, and then I would delete. Go back over here, double click, and put according to Duxter, because that's where I got it from. Thank you, Caleb. Maybe a comma. Double click, paste. Now here, being that I copied that and being that I'm pasting right here. Don't worry, guys. It's not the corona. It's just my allergies. I am gonna put a small t because we've changed that already. Because it doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna space double t space small t. Okay, according to Duxter, the Constitution is the framework for the federal government and the United States. According to Duxter, the Constitution creates the three branches of the government. Okay, so right here, however, it also protects the citizens. So this is different information. So what I would do is, I once again select, and now I'm doing this all on my phone, guys, just to kind of show you, because I know a lot of you guys copy. A lot of you guys are doing it on your phones. So now I have three different things, right? This one, and the one that I just copied. So now if I want to work on this, what I'm going to do is, I don't know, at the very top, I don't know if you can see that, there is a plus sign. So we're going to press a plus sign, and what I need is a new text box. So I'm going to create another text box. I'm going to push it here. Here I can, I think, give it to the size that I want. See? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here in the middle. I'm going to paste. Apparently it didn't go through. So what is it that I'm going to need to do? I'm going to need to go again. I'm going to go again and press the plus. Press it on this device. Go back to the history of the U.S. government. Go back to the web page that I used, which was Duxter's. And I'm going to go to wherever it says Constitution, because that's where I got it. And it also protects right here. This is what I wanted. And you copy. You press done again. Okay, you're still presenting. You're going to X out. Okay, and now you're going to go right here to this one right here. It's going to send me to the one so I can work on it. And I'm going to press paste. You see? Now it already gave it to me again. And instead of me, I need to go to where it says it. And I'm going to put the Constitution. Capitalize. Also protects the citizens. All right. So right now I have the three boxes of information. All right. So according to the Constitution framework, the federal government is the highest law. According to the Constitution, creates the branches of the government, gives them power. Okay. So now I'm going to insert pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to align this, grab it from here. I know it's kind of difficult, guys, but you need to kind of like, there it is. It didn't move at all. But whatever, let's move on. We're going to press the plus sign. We are going to set image.
So here I guess you need to save it again. You save it on your phone before you.
Go to Google and here images and look for anything that you're trying to look for, which I think at the beginning we are looking at the Constitution. That's something that I want. Okay. All right. So I want this one. I'm going to press it. No.
Double click.
Add to photos. I already added that one. You can also screenshot. All right, if you screenshot, I think some of you guys are it's a lot better for you guys if you screenshot. Now, keep in mind, I am doing this on an iPhone. It's different from an Android. I'm not too sure how the Androids work. So I'm gonna put done. Okay, and then I would, okay, go back to this. Go back to where I was working on. Okay, and press the plus sign. I'm gonna add an image from photos. I'm gonna say okay, and I'm gonna add this one. You see, that's the way you're supposed to do it. I'll add one photo right here, right in the middle. And then this one, I don't like the way it looks. You know, this thing, if it's not working out, you resize it. You press it right here. Boom. We the people. Okay. So here, what I am going to be doing is you can either send it, move it back. As a matter of fact, look what we can do. I just found out. I'm gonna put it right here. Make it all big. Okay, I'm gonna push it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. And you see you have cut, copy, paste, delete, and this arrow. When you press this arrow, when you press the arrow, you can send it back. These we would need to change the color. Let's go with red. That's the border. So right here, border dash, border style. Right here, this is the color. I'm going with red. So the way that we would have to do it is select and then select all of it. I mean, this is the only way that I could probably do it. You guys could probably figure out a different way. And down here I have the B, the italics, underline, also highlight the text. So here I'm gonna choose red. Let's see if that works. Ooh, let's just, okay, purple. We'll go right here, just highlight it again. Red. Okay, not custom. And red. There it is. There it is. You see, so you kind of have to work on it, guys. The red kind of, I don't like the way it looks. But that's basically kind of an example of how you're supposed to be doing this Google slide. It is going to take you a while, so be ready. But this is due by Tuesday. So hopefully this helps you out. This is a way of doing it through the phone. I hope you guys have a good day.
All right, so I hope you guys have a good day, a good Friday. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you can't figure it out. I mean, you should be able to. It's going to take you some time. Just send me a message through Google Classroom privately. I can work with you, but just understand that you can't be doing that, like, let's say Monday or Tuesday when it's due. So I'm going to have this whole entire weekend free, except between 1 and 3 on Saturday, which I have a training. I also have to keep on educating myself, and I'd like to wish you guys the best of luck. Hope to see you soon.